The Pinoy Boomer! It still doesn't answer the question whether or not investors like me and others in CDN will get their money back. This my raw reaction of this email from CDN regarding the non-payment of the principal and earnings since the last half of December 2023. If you guys forgot, basically what happened was Sidin's former president stole a huge sum of money from Sidin, and thus we got to this situation. No investor has received their earnings and their principal investments returned. And yet, they have the gall and the audacity to accept investments from new investors while this is happening. My goodness. To save face, basically, if you don't want to read the email, the gist of it basically is that CDN is now trying to find a buyer, or rather, they are in talks with a buyer of CDN's operation. First, okay, the positive. At least Sidin will not be closed. They will continue their operations. However, my concern, and it's not answered in this email, that we are guaranteed that if the buyer of Sidin would be able to return our principal investments, I don't care about the returns. Just return our principal and let us take it away from CDN so that we could invest it in other investment vehicles. I'm so happy to those people who were able to pull out all of their money here before this snafu happened. As for me and probably similar investors that still have money left in this crowdfunding platform, which is a little amount, but still, that is money lost. We could live through our lives thinking that it was stolen and it will not be returned anymore. However, I don't know how the investors that put a very huge sum of money in this platform would feel right now reading this update from CDN. I can't imagine the thoughts they are experiencing right now, the feelings that they are experiencing right now. My goodness. Lesson learned. If there will be platforms such as this, even if our Security and Exchange Commission, approved it, I will let them operate for a minimum of 5 years, at most 10 years, just to see if they will survive snafus like this one. Okay, guys, I'm going to wait for any new updates from CDN, and I hope that I could talk to you again, guys, in another video. Hopefully, it's good news. Until then, please do watch the other videos in my channel in relation to investing, and other things like my reactions and gaming. Till then, guys, this is a Pinoy Boomer, hoping to catch you again sometime. Bye bye!